Hi! Ang hirap gawin ng video na to kasi hindi naman talaga ako sanay sa harap ng camera. Pero dahil sa'yo, gagawin ko to. Unang-una sa lahat, thank you. Grabe. Kung napapanood mo to, ibig sabihin, alam mo na yung nangyari sa akin and may idea ka na kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko. So, a lot of you sent me a greeting, video, and yung support and love and prayer. That's why I'm making this video for you. It started December 16. Akala namin, ano lang, high blood lang. And nephrotic syndrome yung una nilang nakita. Pero, meron pa palang underlying condition under that. Meron pala akong autoimmune disease na tinatawag nilang lupus nephritis. Namaga yung buong katawan ko. Ang taba ng mukha ko, kala nila ang lakas ko lang kumain ng December. puro kainan kasi. Pero yun pala, ayun, nung isang beses, nagkaroon ako ng shortness of breath habang nag-aayos ng table na to. Tapos sabi ko, nagreklamo na ako sa ate ko. Then yun, dinala niya ako December 30. Magang-maga na lahat, buong katawan ko, paa ko, hindi ko na, wala nang kasyang sapatos sa akin kung di Crocs. Tapos pagdating ko dun sa ER, hindi na rin kasya yung Crocs. Mahirap yung journey, napag-alaman na yung kidney ko, 40 or 37% na lang that time. Tapos may mga infections ako sa liver. Tapos may tubig yung baga ko and yung puso ko din. And inaatake ng lupus. But thank God kasi January 2 nalipat ako sa Tala and dun yung mga specialized talaga ng nephrology. And agad nilang natuklasan yung lupus. Sa iba, parang sobrang tagal nito bago nila diagnosed, and I thank the Lord kasi na-diagnose agad. Bawal nila ako i-keep sa hospital kasi nga binabagsak nung gamot yung immune system ko to stop destroying mga nasa loob ng katawan ko. So, it's better for me to rest and recover here at home. Buti lang, may nurse ako. So, talaga, shout out to my sister. I love you. And now, may mga episodes of anxiety and hindi ako makatulog and inaatake ng lupus yung brain ko naman ngayon, causing me to feel wala akong sleep and medyo down yung energy. But ikaw na nakakapanood nito, salamat sa Diyos that God sent you to me. You are an angel. And if you're watching this, I hope you're blessed. I hope you're doing well, and I'm praying for you. You made an effort to greet me, and you remember me, and I thank you. I love you, and I miss you. And soon, sana we can talk to each other and praise the Lord together. I just want to thank the Lord for your life. You are an angel sent to me. Akala ko noon patapos na. Pero today, I can make this video for you. And I have the energy because God's grace is upon me. So, I hope and pray that this video finds you well. And I see you soon. God bless you.